tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to insert and remove RAM on both desktops and laptops. So for desktops, you want to undo each of these clips. Some motherboards only have one. And then you place the RAM in here and make sure the two little notches line up. Then you slide it in until you hear a click on both sides and each of the clips is in. Then to remove it, you just push each clip down and then you can take out the RAM. Sometimes this takes a little bit of force. On laptops, you just slide in little RAM here and then push it down, and then the clips will go in automatically. Then to remove it, you just push outward on each of the clips, and the RAM should just pop out, and you can move it like that. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and bye.